my recent videos, I've been sharing tutorials on how to create a talking AI avatar quickly, usually within 60 seconds, using various AI tools. However, I've received feedback that some of the websites and tools I've featured in those videos are paid services, which can be frustrating for viewers looking for free options. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to a brand new AI talking avatar tool that, as of now, is completely free to use. I can't guarantee that it will always remain free, but I'll show you how to use it in today's video, and you can take advantage of it while it's available at no cost. Let's dive into this innovative tool and explore how it can help you create your very own talking AI avatar without breaking the bank. Stay tuned for the tutorial and see how this tool can elevate your content creation game without emptying your wallet. Step 1. Image generation. Head over to Leonardo AI and sign up for an account if you don't already have one. I've created a video on how to use Leonardo AI, so if you haven't watched it yet, please do so. Now click on AI Image Generation. In the prompt bar, I am using the prompt, Portrait of an Old Man with a Long Black Beard. You can generate your own if you'd like. Click the Generate button and wait for the rendering results. If you do not receive satisfactory results, please try again. Download your AI-generated image. Step 2. AI Avatar. First, open vidnoz.com and create a free account. You can find a link in the video description. On this website, you can create free AI videos in just 1 minute. Let's move forward. Click on Avatars in the left side menu bar, then select Talking Photo. Now click on the plus button to upload your Leonardo AI-generated image. Here you can remove the image background and select a different language for the voiceover. After making these selections, click on the Generate Talking Photo button. On this dashboard, you can customize your avatar. Select an image, then click on the View button and set this image in portrait mode. Afterward, adjust your image size and set the background to green. Here, you can switch between different avatars, but you'll need a paid account to do so. You can also add various shapes, text, materials, and background music. However, our primary focus here is creating a simple avatar video. So paste your script and click on Generate. Wait for the rendering results and download it. Step 3. Auto Captions. To add auto captions, go to simplified.com and create a free account. With a free account, you can generate videos up to 10 minutes in length at 720p resolution and add subtitles for videos up to 30 minutes. I would recommend considering a paid plan for more professional videos. On the main dashboard of Simplified, click on Generate Auto Subtitle. Now select your auto subtitle template. Since I'm creating a short video, I'll choose the short video template. Then click on the Next button and upload your avatar video. Wait for it to finish uploading.
Join our community and stay updated with the latest content. Hit that subscribe button and be part of our journey.
Now select your subtitle language and click on the Generate button. On this dashboard, you can perform more professional customizations. First, check the spelling of the auto subtitles. Then click on Subtitle Styles and choose a style you like. You can also click on Logo Replace to either replace or remove it, and delete any extra elements as needed. Finally, click on the Export button to download your customized video. Here is the demo video.
Today, I'm excited to introduce you to a brand new AI talking avatar tool that, as of now, is completely free to use. I can't guarantee that it will always remain free.
Now you are ready to create your own videos. Thanks for watching.